How to link text on Discord. So to start, we'll have to open our Discord account, and then in here, we'll have to go at the bottom part of the screen, and then we'll have to type here a normal bracket. After that, we'll have to type our text. So as an example, I'm gonna type here Wixie Angel, and then after that, we'll have to add a closed normal bracket. So to paste the link, we'll have to add first a curved bracket. After that, we'll have to paste the link, and then once you have pasted the link, simply add a closed curved bracket. So in here, if I tap on the send option, it will automatically send the text with the link. But if you want to hide the preview link, what you need to do is to add a angle bracket. To do that, we'll have to insert the angle bracket here and also on the last part. Once we're done, simply tap on the send option. And as you can see, that text is automatically sent here. And then if we tap on the text, it will automatically show us the website link. So to visit the website, simply tap on the visit site option. So that's how easy we can link text on Discord. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.